Hello, this is Kermit the Frog, and I am here today to offer to you the first in a series of lectures about the different ways that people can feel. Now today I'm going to talk to you about being happy, and right over here, Now let's talk about some of the things that might make you feel happy. Now that is not the kind of thing that makes you feel happy. Anyway, that's the kind of thing that makes you feel mad. Now you can tell I'm mad by the kind of things that I say to the monster, like this.
So sad.
You're gonna be sad?
So sad if you tell my mommy. So sad.
You really be sad,
Oh,
huh?
so sad.
Wow.
Oh. Oh, so sad.
You want to see what sad is? Look at the monster. Yes. See the monster? Don't feel so bad, because I forgive you. You just now help me. I think I'm going to have to talk about being mad again.